This video is an instruction on how to use the chairs for a rebar grid calculator. First, a word about rebar chairs. They are often made of plastic and they are used to suspend a rebar grid off of the ground and to stop sagging. The rebar chair calculator is part of VCalc, and you could find a link to it in the first comment. It's fairly simple to use. First, you put in the dimensions of your slab. You can choose your units. If you don't like feet, you can use the metric system, choose meters if you wish. But then you enter in the dimensions of your slab, and I'll simply say 24 by 32. And then you select your spacing. We have it defaulted at 3 feet for the spacing between the chairs, but you could choose whatever you wish. And the calculator will compute the number of chairs you need for that rebar grid. And as on all VCalc calculators, you can share the results, send it to yourself in an email if you wish, or just use the numbers here for your project. Thank you very much for using VCalc.